to let you know, if you want to connect to Alexa, you must have this item, otherwise it's not gonna work. You have to purchase this separately. It does not come with your blinds. So if you have gotten one of these blinds, I got mine from Amazon. I'm pretty sure people are getting them from Amazon. This is the instructions that come with it. The instructions are okay, but I find it hard to use the instructions. So I'm gonna give you some tricks and tips of how to set this up. Also, I got the extension for you to use with your Alexa. I'm gonna be showing how I set up that in a moment. First things first, it's super easy to install. It comes with this little guy here, and you can mount with 2 screws in the ceiling or 2 screws on the wall. So it holds the entire thing with 4 screws, 2 on this bracket, 2 on the other bracket. Also, for you to put the bracket, it's quite easy. Let me show you what it looks like in here so you can see it. So you press it in and it comes out, right? Also, when you go put it in, let's say this is mounted in place, you're gonna press until it's pushed. Then once you know, it's gonna lock both tabs, one on this side, one on this side. So the installation of this is kind of silly. It's only 4 screws, so there's no point for me to show. I was having a hard time connecting to Alexa, so that's what I'm gonna kind of focus more. Also, it comes with this other little bracket here, and this other bracket, it's designed to hold this guy in place, and it goes right in front of it like this. So that's what it does. Snap it in place here and here. So once it's mounted, it will look like professional. It looks good, right? That's pretty much it. So hardware part is easy. Anybody that got a couple screwdrivers, it comes with the screws already. Cute little kit. Normally it comes with this one that I bought. I have the cheaper remotes. I don't spend a lot of money on the remote. So this remote here is the simple remote, not the most expensive one. My plan is not to be really using with this. I do have a video showing how to use it, how to set up this guy. Mine came disconnected, but pretty much when you remove this tag, it's normally already connected to it, so it's not a big deal. So for the connection with Alexa, this button here is the most important button. To be fair, this button, what it does is if you press it, it's gonna make it go down. See, and if you press it again, it stops, and if you press it again, it goes up. Now, what's very important about this button is you're gonna press and hold in order to go to pairing mode. What I had a problem with was I was having a hard time connecting it. I strongly recommend you, before you do anything, first things first, charge this guy 100%. Leave it overnight, connect the charger. I do not use the solar charger that come with it. I don't like it, don't care for gluing that in the window. The battery in here lasts a very long time, so I don't really need it. But the first thing I do is I plug it in and I let it charge overnight, so it's completely 100% charged. Then what I do is the next day, first thing you do is put on the Wi-Fi. Don't put on the fastest Wi-Fi that you have. It must be on the Wi-Fi 2.4, not the 5.0. If it's too fast, it's not gonna connect, it's not gonna find. You keep trying it, it's not gonna know what's going on. So the easiest way to do is first, go to the right Wi-Fi. Second, do not connect anything to your Bluetooth. If you have anything connected to the Bluetooth, just disconnect, otherwise it will not find it. Then once you go to the app Smart Life and you download, once you go to the app and you try to find, you go to the app, once you go to the app Smart Life, you're gonna search for the bridge and connect the bridge first. Once you connect the bridge, then you'll be able to find the blinds in there. Once you're ready to do it, like I said, be close to the bridge, which should be connected to a USB connection anyways. And that's number one. Number two, connect to the slower Wi-Fi. Number three, disconnect from Bluetooth. Then you press and hold this guy here. You will see that the blinds are gonna kind of move a little bit. Watch. Press and hold. See how I did a little movement? That means it's in pairing mode. Then you come and then add the device. It did it again. That means it's still on pairing mode. Once it finds it, it's going to start working with the cell phone. Then with the cell phone, you go to your Alexa and you can just tell her to control it and do the other functions inside of the app. But pretty much that's kind of what it is. But if you're connected to a Bluetooth, or if you're not on the right Wi-Fi, it will have a hard time finding. You will be on this page, pairing. So as I was telling you, you're only gonna put 2 screws over here, 1, 2, or if you're gonna mount on the wall, you put 2 screws here. I'm doing on the inside of the window, not on the outside. I already put this one in place. Make sure you put this guy before you mount this in place, okay? Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to put it on. You're gonna put it on and off. I made that mistake before. So here's what it looks like. Let me adjust over here. So put this guy anywhere. Okay, it snaps in place like this. So as you can see, you just snap in here. I don't recommend you to put near the edge. Also, when you mount the guy over there, don't mount him in the edge. It doesn't really matter, but I prefer it like more in the center than in the edge. We move this guy here because it was too close to where the other one is gonna be. Just don't put down here in the edge, okay? But once you put it in here, you're gonna press this tab in. Look how easy this thing is. You press up against it and it's gonna hold it, because the back here, it's gonna make it a holding place. So all you gotta do is this, and that's it. Look, perfect. Both of them are installed in place. I added these 2 little guys here, so makes a better support for the white piece that goes in front of it. All we gotta do is add these 2 guys here, and that's what it's supposed to look like. Snap it, and that's it. Okay, make them look flushed in the center. And that's pretty much it. Now when you close it, Alexa, close the blinds in the Florida room. She closed one. Oh, she's closing them both automatically there. So it's gonna go all the way down and give some privacy, and it looks good. Really like the results, and you can see it looks very professional. So I named Florida Room 1, Florida Room 2, so when I tell her to open only one, she will. If I tell her to close both, she gets it. You can change the name inside of the Alexa app too. But that's pretty much it. And I'm doing these double doors. Sometimes we have people stay in this room, so it's gonna be great. If you have any more questions, send a comment on the bottom and I'll try my best to answer. It is a little bit annoying, but it's not impossible. If I did it, anybody can do it. See you next time. So it turns out this is super quick. I'm about 5 feet away from the hub. So you press and hold this guy here. Go into pairing mode for about 2 seconds. Once it moves, click add, continue. Now, this guy moves again. Let me do it again. So it goes to pairing mode. When it connects, it makes another move, but it's super quick. And if it doesn't, look, come over here, click respond and save, and it's gonna add it. Once it adds, it's pretty much connected. It does not give you a signal every time, so it's super annoying. Just put pretending like it respond. Because it was in pairing mode, it's just gonna add it to the list of blinds that you have. That's pretty much it.